Alright everyone, welcome back to this platform Prince TV. If today is your first time, all you have to do for me is to subscribe to the platform so that anytime I upload my video, you will be the first person to be notified and then you know what this video is all about. Alright, in this video, I'll be talking about the payment date of the third month of the Reddito di Magenta, which is the month of May, the third payment of the Reddito di Magenta. I know most of you already get it that yes, it's going to be today. That is what IMS have stated. There is no change about it. But at the same time, for those ones who have not received the Reddito di Magenta since they applied for it, IMS have also communicated. That is the most important part on this video, which you guys have to understand. And then for the application, which they have said that on the 31st of July will be the deadline of the application, there is still one or two updates I'm going to touch based on the new application of the Reddito di Magenta. That is the new 4 months of the Reddito di Magenta, how people can go and then apply, and then when people can go and apply. I have to give a little bit a light on that particular part as well. So without wasting time, let's kick in with the articles and see how it look like.
Prince TV.
Alright, now listen. He said, emergency income, third installment payment. Here is the date. He said, find out the payment date of the third top up of the emergency income contained in the support decree Bs. Now listen to this part. He said here, emergency income, when does the payment arrive? Question mark. He said, the date of the accreditation for the third installment of the economic contribution for low-income families has been communicated. He said, a subsidy contained in the sustaining decree. Let's see on what day the REM 2021 top up for the month of May will be paid and to whom it is due. Now let's see the month of May when the payment will arrive. He said here, emergency income, when does the third REM top up payment arrive? Question mark. He said, the payment of the third installment of emergency income for many beneficiaries will be Monday, June 7th, 2021. That is today. Meaning that today, I believe most of you have already received the third payment of the Reddito di Magenta. So if you have been one of those people who have received today, please try to give us a testimony on the comment section. Understand? Let's go a little bit forward. Listen, he said, this is the top up of the May REM. For those who have already received the credit of the installments of March and April 2021. So for people who have received the first month, received the second month, this is the date which they have put for the third month starting from today, which I said give me the confirmation on the comment section. Now let's go a little bit forward. Right, listen to this place attentively. This is the key point of this video. For those ones who have not received the Reddito di Magenta, since they applied, they have never received, not even for 1 month. Now listen to what IMS have stated as well. He said here, for those who have not yet received the outcome of the application, this should be the right week. So now, if you have not received the Reddito di Magenta for the first month, for the second month, now IMS have communicated that this particular week, starting from this 7th Monday, will be the week most beneficiaries who have never received the first month, either the second month of this Reddito di Magenta. This is what IMS have stated. So guys should wait and then still watch out this week. And then please do me a favor. If it happens to be you apply for Reddito di Magenta since all this while and then you have not received the payment, if they pay you this week, please come and give a testimony on this particular video on the comment section. This is what IMS have stated so far. This is the part which I want many people to hear and then listen and then understand that IMS have communicated that people who have not received the Reddito di Magenta since all this while they applied, they said that this week will be the week most people will receive the Reddito di Magenta. This is what they have stated already. Now let's still go a little bit forward with article here. He said, emergency income requirement, who is entitled? He said, the 4 installments of the REM contained in the Sustaining Bs decree are due to those families who met certain residency, assets, and income requirements. That is, you must resident in Italy, all those kind of stuff. You guys already know this part already. Now let me still give you this important side of it, the compatibility requirements. What you cannot combine with Reddito di Magenta. You know, when I'm stating all these things, people will still not understand. But let me still come back again on my videos. He said, compatibility requirements. REM is not compatible with other COVID-19 indemnities. He said, pension benefit, for example, income from unemployment, meaning if you are receiving unemployment benefit, you cannot receive Reddito di Magenta. Then another one again, he said, income and citizenship pension. If you are receiving Reddito di Cittadinanza, you guys know all these things. You cannot apply for Reddito di Magenta when you are receiving Reddito di Cittadinanza. Alright, he said, the REM for NAXP earners. So these are the criterions that is not compatible with the Reddito di Magenta, which you guys know already. Now, I want to touch a part which is still more important, which you guys have to now listen attentively. He said here, emergency income, when and where to apply for the new 4 months. Now listen attentively. For the new 4 months, he said the requirements to obtain the REM must be submitted on the IMSS website by 31st July 2021. You will have to fill a form made available by the institute to declare that you have all the requirements or rely on a CAF or patronato. Now, if you have to apply for the new 4 months of the Reddito di Magenta, you can do it online or you can go straight to CAF office. Normally, people go to CAF and then apply for it. But now, let me summarize this video. Something I want people to understand so that mistake will not come from anywhere. Now, IMSS have stated that the Reddito di Magenta for the new 4 months, that the deadline will be set on the 31st of July. But up till now, they have not communicated when people can start applying. But there are some people who are giving testimony on my videos, which I made in the past, stating that they have already applied already for this new 4 months of Reddito di Magenta. So my advice or my own kind of like consideration here is that people who already applied before for the Reddito di Magenta receive the first, 2nd month, and then this 3rd month that is coming out like this. What you have to do is to still go to your CAF and then cross-check and know if they have started applying in your area, because different regions will work in different ways. So now, for my own advice, it is good for you to go to your CAF and then ask, can I apply for the new 4 months of the Reddito di Magenta, just to get more information? I think that is the best way, because they keep on stating, bringing articles that the ending date, that is the deadline, should be on the 31st. But they have not said that this is the day people have to go and then apply for the Reddito di Magenta. So for my own consideration is to go to your CAF and then know if your area they have started applying for the new 4 months of the Reddito di Magenta, so that you not be left out. This is what I have to tell my viewers and then my followers. So that is just it. For those ones who have not received the Reddito di Magenta since all this while they applied for it, IMSS have given assurance that this week will be the week which people will still receive. So they might receive their payment. This is what they have stated already in the article which they published a few hours ago. And then I wish my followers or my subscribers to know what is going on based on the Reddito di Magenta. If you have any question, you can still keep it at the comment section while we try to digest your question and then give out a feedback to your question. Alright, if you have not subscribed to this platform, please try to subscribe and then put on your notification bell. Help me to hit the like button so that we keep on the good work and keep on the updates, so that you people see how things are going. How you like the video determines how you give me the strength to search for updates and then bring to you guys. Till next time again, we'll be together.